Today is catch, clean, and cook day. Come along with me so you can see how we wound up with this tailgate lunch. South Carolina Brim and Hush Puppies. Stay tuned and watch how we catch them. What is it, bud? What is it? We're fishing. Got him.
Had him.
Got off. Good. I ain't hooked him yet, but I'm about to. So I'm gonna get in there, sitting there while I'm getting yours off. Just try right there under that limb. You want a cricket or a worm?
I'm gonna go back over there with a worm.
I'm just gonna hit this thing as quick as it hits the water. There's a little bitty bass in that grass. The cricket's over there flickering. Son of a gun. Go on down there and get one. You smell him? Go catch us a fish. Go catch us a fish. You've done it before. Swim out there and get me one, boy. Go fishing, buddy. Go get him. You gotta snag these, boy. They're tricky little boogers.
That little cow sounds more like an elk than a cow.
Yeah, I know. Another little bass. Little fella?
What?
Another little bass.
Mm-hmm.
Worm stealer. Meaty. We're cooking on a tailgate. It's almost Memorial Day. We just caught some fresh brim in South Carolina. Saturday morning brim, Saturday afternoon lunch. Fish fry broke out the antique Coleman. I bet this thing has not been fired up in at least 17 years. But guess what? First click, she popped right on. And I think we're gonna be eating, or at least frying, in another ancient artifact.
Hand hammered.
Look at this antique gizmo, whatchamacallit thing he gave me to flip fish with. That looks like some kind of cannon jar jibber. But it'll flip a fish. We're gonna make hush puppies. Who wants hush puppies? You want hush puppies? You want some hush puppies? All right, you get hush puppies. All right, how we make these tailgate hush puppies?
I have 1 cup of milk and 1 egg blended together. Gonna pour it on the breading mixture for the fish with some onion. I'm gonna stir it up, and then we're gonna hand make the hush puppies.
Hush puppy.
What you feed the dogs to get them to be quiet after a hard day of hunting. Throw them one and say, hush puppy, hush puppy.
Oh, honey, hush. Hush your old mouth. Sweet potato pie and shut my mouth. Frying on the tailgate. Yeah, this is bougie as we get right here. Straight out the grease. Very good. Salty, peppery, and oniony. That's fit to eat. And you want a bite? Here, bite this side. He's tailgate chilling right now.
Hey, come here, boy. Hush puppy, hush puppy. Right. Hush puppy, hush puppy.
We cleaned them right here on the tailgate. We caught them, we cleaned them, we cooked them just for you. Thanks for watching.